it's like right there. Honestly, you know, it might work. It might be easier if you get like a softer metal that we can like just kind of.
Yeah.
Yo, I need to get a camera.
You should. I want to get a GoPro because of this thing now. I was riding around the pit.
Feel how the here, hold the car like up
Hold the fuck up. I need to document this.
I mean, the throttle's heavy, but like it'll. Yeah.
Oh, you fucking spilled. God damn it. Alright, crank that shit. No way, dude. Oh my god.
She closes.
I don't want to ride it first. Like, this might actually fucking hurt someone.
I'll take her first and just fucking ride the brake and the
If anything
just
happens,
ride the brake and the kill switch.
if it gets stuck wide open, just pull that off.
Oh, there's a kill switch.
Yeah.
Or that.
Assuming I wired it up right, it should be fine.
We'll test it first.
At worst comes to worst, fucking just squeeze the brake, dump it sideways, pull the spark plug.
No, literally.
Okay. Hey, where's the We need the fucking.
Here, let's move this back a couple feet so I can suck.
Just put your hand over the intake, trying to suffocate it.
Need that.
Dude, I'm so scared. Dude, no way. You're wiping off all my fucking tools. Every single one of them. Until it's shiny.
Does it look like you actually? Oh no.
Washer for something.
I honestly, I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's not good.
Oh, we can throw this piece away. Looks like the floor is a quart short.
Whoa, now we go. We need like 6.7 for it, so that works good.
It's a little tight, but
It's by design though.
that's probably better.
Honestly, it's not a bad thing that has a heavy front. Almost. It almost is. What's going on? Leave the choke on. The
What's that
throttle needs to
noise?
be-
Oh, it's fine.
Doesn't it need to be open a little bit? Like the tensioner doesn't need like.
It should have.
Oh,
little. That's what that stop screw's for.
Fuck.
You need to, it's like not staying in idling. Here. You like sit on it. Like
Well, the idler isn't on, right?
yeah, how is that supposed to work? Because it needs to be open a little bit.
It is. Well,
I don't think it is. That's why I have to keep on it.
hold up. You can try less much. Chill.
Oh, this isn't bolted on.
Oh, you lost it because you guys didn't put on the fucking bullshit.
I didn't put the case on. I took the cover off and not the
Okay.
Okay, so up is choke on. I guess that makes sense. Let it sit for a minute, see what it does. Well, no shit, huh? Quit fucking with it. Needs to be adjusted a little bit. The idle on it needs to be
Well,
adjusted a bit, but...
you can adjust the idle with there's a screw somewhere.
Yeah, it was this one. Give me a Phillips. Yeah, it was this guy.
Hold on, turn it over.
Don't need that.
No big deal.
Okay, so tighter. Okay.
I had it. Why'd you fuck with it?